This is the In Bloom garden 4 weeks after planting. Now this one was replanted because somehow there were no seeds in there, but this is lettuce. This is, I believe this is a butter crunch lettuce, I think, and then this is some kind of Paris Island lettuce. Yeah, that's butter crunch. But look how well that's grown already. I can pull some leaves off. They're like full sized already that I could pull off to make a salad. There's some dill growing here. I've never grown herbs in any of my hydroponic gardens before, so I was curious to try, but already looks like dill. So technically, and that was, yeah, 4 weeks ago, I could pluck off some dill already, which is kind of cool. Then the odd thing here is this broccoli, which I don't know if it was mislabeled seeds or what, but I can't, broccoli's just not gonna grow in a little bitty planter like this because broccoli grows huge. So I think I'm gonna pull this guy out, and then this is more butter crunch lettuce that's coming along just fine, and that was only planted like God, a week ago. But yeah, I really recommend this garden. It's so cute. It's so little, but I mean, look at the lettuce growing here. It's crazy. And I've only had to add a little bit of water. I'll probably add some more tomorrow and add some more nutrients. But I really am loving this gauge because I mean, I can be all the way back here and be like, oh, okay, yeah, that thing's still way up there. It doesn't need water. Whereas my other one, I've got to look and make sure I'm not seeing roots, and it takes a bit to see where it's at. So very cool. Loving my little In Bloom garden. So cute.